Products make you money, but there's something else that will make you a fortune. So pay close attention to this video because I'll teach you exactly what it is that will make you a fortune. It's not your products. And this idea comes from the book, The One-Page Marketing by Allan Dib, one of my favorite marketing books to have come out in the last decade. Really love this book. It's all about creating a simple one-page marketing plan to run your business off of. With that said, let's jump into this idea. Here's the key. Products are not enough to build a great business. Let me give you the example of McDonald's, okay? Is McDonald's the best burger in town? No. But it is highly consistent. You can go from a McDonald's in San Diego all the way to a McDonald's in New York, and you probably get the exact same burger. A lot of people sell burgers. Even street vendors sell burgers for $2 or $3, but McDonald's Corporation is worth billions. Why? Because it is a highly systemized machine. The product is not really the key. What's key is the system. And that's what we need to understand. Here's how I like to think of it. Product sellers are hustlers. They're not really entrepreneurs yet because it's the systems that make you a fortune. Systems are what build your wealth. So systems builders and owners of systems are the ones who build real wealth. You must create systems because business becomes much more consistent when as a result of systems, especially when you install the right kind of systems at the right time. There's a right time to do the right thing in your business, especially when you're creating systems. You can overburden the system by creating the wrong systems at the wrong time. So that's really important to understand. I have way too many times seen this where I get coaching clients who are trying to do the wrong thing, trying to build the wrong business system at the wrong time. There's a method to this madness. So we'll get to that. You see, you must create systems in your business if you want to build a valuable asset that is your business. Not only that, you need leverage and you need scalability, and that only comes from system. Because only when you have systems, the business is not solely dependent on you, and the business can leverage the talents of your team to make this business, to grow the business. And not only that, when you create systems, you have a lot more efficiencies. Now, even if you're a starting entrepreneur, you have to take note of this idea because this is going to help you grow your business dramatically. Most business owners, even starting business owners, they will neglect systems because there is no urgency. But if you don't have systems, you continue to struggle. You are constantly stuck in that up and down loop of feast and famine. You make some money and then you're out of money, and then you make some money one quarter, you go down, the revenue scale the next quarter, and so on and so forth. So your job as an entrepreneur is to not only innovate, but to build systems. Identify every role, not person, not the name, but every role, every task that is done in your business, documented, build checklists. Now you might be wondering, well, I don't have the time to build documents and checklists. That's true. And you don't have to do this yourself. Your team, people who are doing these roles can help you build these systems and processes. And a great book on this topic I highly recommend is Clockwork by Mike Michalowicz. We have summarized that in our entrepreneurship book summary pack. Make sure to check it out. I think you can go to 2000books.com/startup to check it out. The key here is to build systems. And most people hate doing all of this process of documentations and systems, but there are certain kinds of people who love processes, love systems, love documentation. And you can get your team to help you build these systems, build these processes. But it's your job to become the builder of these systems. Whether you get others to do it or not, you have to own this process. You have to get this done, right? Once you have systems, scaling becomes easy because all you need to do is add people to the systems. Now, there are 4 main types of business systems you need to create in order to grow your business: marketing and sales, marketing systems, sales systems, fulfillment systems, and finance systems. So marketing could be all about generating consistent leads into the system, and sales is about converting those leads into customers, and not only that, to repeat customers. And then we have fulfillment systems, which is about delivering your product. It's also about creating the product and delivering. Like, product creation also comes in fulfillment. It's somewhere in operations and fulfillment. Allan Dib calls it fulfillment systems. I would call more of the back-end operations. That's another system you need to build. And then finance. Finance is a huge one. So with that said, let me give you the example of 2000 books to explain how different systems are being built in our business. So let me give you the example of some of our marketing and sales systems. For example, content marketing system, releasing YouTube videos. That is a system. Releasing podcast episodes. That's a system. Lead nurture systems, email marketing systems to nurture the leads when someone opts in for, let's say, their 7-day focus challenge. What kind of emails do they get? When someone opts in for the meditation download, what kind of emails do they get? That's all automated. That's all systems. And we use ConvertKit for our email automation systems. You can check it out. Go to 2000books.com/convert. Love that tool because it gives you so much systemization and process creation and helps you visualize your business, the overall marketing in your business. Our marketing funnels, they're all very systematically organized and laid out. Not only that, our sales systems, sales page creation, sales emails writing systems, all of those joint venture promotion systems, affiliate marketing systems, all of these different marketing systems, marketing and sales systems are being built into the business consistently. This is not a one-time thing. All of these processes and systems are constantly being evolving. They're constantly being improved. They're constantly being iterated upon. So the systems I had 4 years ago are obsolete compared to the systems that we have today because they're evolving. They're changing. Right? 4 years ago, 5 years ago, the systems were very minuscule in some ways compared to the systems we have in place today. Not only that, we have product creation, product fulfillment systems. We have systems for creating the summaries, book summaries that our writers use to create our book summaries. And we're constantly improving, constantly fine-tuning these systems. Remember in the book Built to Last, Jim Collins talks about the idea that it's never enough. We're never good enough. We're constantly striving. So the systems will never be done. We're constantly trying to improve and iterate on these systems. Not only that, we have finance systems for bookkeeping, for accounting, all of those. There's a lot of different systems that come into play in order to grow your business. Now you have to remember, as an early stage entrepreneur, you could be focusing on a lot of things, but the most important system to focus on is your sales and marketing systems. If you want your business to survive and to grow, you need sales and marketing systems. You need to build marketing systems, sales systems to map every step of the customer journey, to build your sales funnel, to automate your sales funnel so that you're automatically converting your prospects to customers even when you sleep. Literally, that happens to us here at 2000 Books every single day. You need systems in order to make that happen. It's not that I'm jumping on my computer every day to write emails specifically to every single prospect who comes into our system. No, these are all systems that are already built out, and it's all into our email automation systems, right? When you are very early, especially when you are under $100,000 a year, you really don't want to worry about many other systems. You just need to get your sales and marketing systems down because that's where you will grow the most. One of the biggest failure points, I see this for content creators all the time. I see this very often in my coaching, when I'm coaching content creators, when I'm coaching online business owners, they focus on content creation. They love to create content, whether it's YouTubers, podcasters. They love to just get on the mic and record audios or record podcast episodes. They love to get on front of the camera and record videos, but they don't really have a marketing system or a sales system. So their businesses struggle forever. Until they figure out that they need marketing systems and sales systems, no matter how basic, in order to create money in their business. No matter how basic. Your job is to build a basic system and keep improving it over time. In some ways, every damn week, you need to work on your marketing systems. You need to work on your sales systems in order to grow your business. You can never let go of this part of your business building for a very long period of time. Even when you become a 7-figure business, this is something you must do. You have to constantly improve your marketing and sales systems. This is where you as a business owner really have to be involved. This is not something you just offload to someone and hope that there are a lot of times I get content creators saying, hey, I just want to create content. I want to let someone else do marketing. Well, if you have very deep pockets, if you have tons of money and you can hire someone and you can train them and you can let them make all the mistakes they will make in the process of building that out, maybe if you have a lot of money to do that. But most people don't. So if you're a content creator, and especially if you're in the early stage of building your business, you want to build to 6 figures and you need help. I'm launching the 6-figure accelerator where I will be helping content creators, coaches, info product creators especially experts and thought leaders. I'll help them build an information product empire using the power of organic marketing, just like YouTube, just like podcasts, what you're listening to right now or what you're watching right now. Just go to 2000books.com/coaching and check out the 6-Figure Accelerator. That's the program. I'm personally going to be mentoring you, guiding you through this process of building an online business. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.